In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CVS ATM locations near me. If you need to withdraw cash while you're out and about, CVS stores can often be a convenient place to look since many locations have ATMs inside. In many cases, these machines are provided through ATM networks such as Allpoint or Cardtronics, and depending on your bank, you may even be able to use them with reduced fees or no surcharge at all. The easiest way to check is by using an ATM locator tool online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the website shown on screen. From there, you can use the ATM locator options available through services like the Allpoint Network Locator, the CVS Store Locator, or even your own bank's mobile app. These tools are useful because they help confirm whether a nearby CVS location actually has an ATM instead of making you guess. Once you're on the Allpoint homepage, take a moment to look around the main page. This is where you'll begin narrowing down nearby ATM options. The interface is designed to help you quickly search by location, so you won't need to dig through too many menus. Next, click on Find Allpoint ATMs. This will take you into the locator section where you can search for machines in your area. If your goal is specifically to find an ATM at a CVS, this is one of the fastest ways to start building a list of nearby possibilities. After that, click on Locations. This opens the part of the site where you can enter your area information and view nearby ATM results in a more organized way. Depending on the device you're using, you may see a search bar, a map, or both. Now type in your zip code. Make sure you enter it carefully because this is what the locator will use to show ATMs close to your area. Using a zip code is a simple way to get accurate local results, especially if you want options near home, work, or wherever you currently are. Then click Search, and the results will appear. You should see nearby ATM locations displayed on the page, often along with a map and address details. From there, you can review the listings and look for CVS locations among the results. As a quick tip, before heading out, it's a good idea to double check the specific location details in case hours or ATM availability have changed, and if your bank has its own app, you may want to compare the results there as well, since it can sometimes show fee information too. That's how to find CVS ATM locations near you quickly and easily.